Guys, we're here in my home kitchen. We are live with Bravo star Marysol Patton, who has just brought the good vibes, the good energy, and delicious cocktails. Guys, and she knows how to cook. She really does. She knows her flavors.
Next time I'll cook for you.
Oh, I mean, yes, I'm going to hold you to that, actually. I was going to say no. But then I'm like, you know what? Yes. Here,
look at those.
We have 2 saku blocks. Saku block means sushi grade. It means that you're going to have a piece of like basically the tuna tenderloin. If you see, there's a circular pattern and there's only a little bit of the tuna that we're actually going to use. Do you do soy or do you do
I love
tamari?
Soy, avocado, wasabi.
We got you.
Raw. That's my jam.
You know what?
It's like my favorite thing to eat.
Here, can I trust you to do little tiny cubes? I took out most of the seeds, You're going to chop this up as small as you can.
All right.
Mind you, I'm trusting her with this enormous knife to do the best kind of cutting. Okay.
It's not my first time with an enormous accoutrement.
Not her first time with an enormous piece. For those that don't know what accoutrement is, I saved you, time to go to Google.
You're my translator. Is that small enough?
No, but I'm gonna go over it.
You're gonna re-chop?
I'm gonna re-chop after you. Like,
I don't know. Chop it up more if you want.
You're good.
Do your thing.
That's pretty good. Actually, you did a great job already. Don't rub your face. Don't touch your face. Don't do anything. What's Marysol's favorite meal to cook?
I don't know. I make so many good things. Everything I make is excellent. And you don't even need teeth to eat it. But I like anything that's like really elegant and sophisticated.
Okay.
I like things that are just different, elegant, and challenging to me.
So here we have our minced jalapeno.
Listen, everybody watching, this whole place is rigged with cameras. It's very professional.
Thank you.
Really well done.
Thank you. So we have here light soy sauce because it's better than, you don't want all the saltiness. You don't want to be puffy, right? Now it's going to bloom inside of this jalapeno. It's going to pull the spice.
Letting it sit in there?
Yes. But because we had light soy, we're going to put a pinch of regular salt. Exactly.
So why don't we just use the regular version?
Because that's going to make you puff up more, believe it or not, than just regular salt.
Okay.
So
I'm learning.
Well, remember,
I don't know everything.
Do you like sesame oil?
Definitely.
Me too. You want pure. Do you see how this says pure?
Yeah.
So kind of like a small detail, but it's important.
Yeah.
Okay.
Seed oils will kill you.
All right. We did 7 to 8 dashes. Ginger. Do you like ginger?
Oh, I love ginger.
Okay. Ginger.
Everything you're doing is what I love.
Oh, what were the diets like on like the housewives? Like, were people eating, like you're there all day?
Everybody eats everything except for me.
Okay. Because every time I've been on a shoot or something, I always think it's funny because people that have crazy diets are downing like chicken nuggets. I'm eating oatmeal if I have it, whatever's on hand. I'm having a banana, bag of chips.
Our production company is really good, especially like if we're having like a cast trip. They'll say, what would you like to be eating on the trip? And then they'll give us, here's what we're dinner, tell us what you'd like on the menu. And then we pick ahead of time.
Okay.
For me, it's great because we have a really good production company.
They're
good. But the girls will eat anything. My best friend, Alexia, loves to eat. Kiki will eat anything. The girls go to town. I'm usually like just sipping a cocktail, especially for the dinner things. Cause I'm not I like to eat earlier in the day.
So what would you say is the perfect dinner time?
1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Really? You know how before dinner time, like especially for those of us that are into
That's just for me.
I agree. The earlier the better because you get to have fun. Your after dinner fun, but then that's it. You go to bed.
Can I mix this?
Please, if you can, mix it for me.
I can mix. I'm a professional. Look, I can't even talk anymore. This is like a whisking situation that I'm doing.
Now, do you like yuzu or do you like lime? What do you prefer?
Either. Well, let's keep it Japanese. Put the yuzu in there.
All natural, 100% yuzu. Product of Japan.
I want that in my body. Give it to me.
Marysol, who would be on your dream RHOM cast? That's a great question.
I would love Nene Leakes to be on our cast. I love her.
And for those that don't know who she is?
She was like the biggest star in the network, and she was on the Atlanta Housewives.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, something that I thought was like such a fun tidbit about you. You've had 3 wedding ceremonies.
And with Steve.
With Steve. I know. This is what's funny. Like,
not with the other one.
Yes, this is a ritual that you guys do, right? It's every year?
Yeah. No, not every year.
No?
Every few years. Like
Like a milestone?
yeah, well, no, because we've only been together 6 years, so we haven't had too many milestones.
So 3 and 6 years. It's just when you feel like it?
3 and 5 years.
Oh, 5 years.
So,
okay.
but we've been together 6.
Okay.
I don't know. Whenever I find like an exotic location, I have a vibe, and I've been thinking about Morocco a lot, and I have an opportunity to go maybe in October. So I might, throw the 4th in there.
Oh my goodness.
Camels, sand.
I love it.
Killums.
Which one has
the whole thing? That vibe. I want that vibe.
I agree. And which one has been your favorite, you think?
Oh, I loved Scotland. But the one we did in Tulum was beautiful too. And it was super cool. We went on the Harley to the courthouse. They're all been cool.
They've all been cool.
Scotland was fun. I put a lot of I designed my dress, and and we were they were all really special.
We're gonna squeeze a little bit of lime.
Go big or go home.
I agree. And where did you come up with that idea?
Well, I was an event planner, so.
Okay, but like celebrating, a wedding and all that stuff. Like,
I don't know. I
idea.
never had a big wedding. I eloped the first 2 times.
Okay.
And then I eloped the 3rd time. And then, the theme of our first one was so cool. And then we were going to Scotland, and I thought, I want to do a wedding in a castle. I mean, I've always wanted to do that. And so I made it happen. And then
it seems like everything that you dream up, you bring into existence.
yeah, I mean, we can manifest all the things we want to do, within reason.
So here we have
good for me.
Good for you, exactly. Toast to you. We're gonna cut up the pieces of the tuna that are not the actual tenderloin.
Circular.
Exactly.
And this
is gonna be all
tuna tartare.
Exactly.
Right.
For later.
Okay.
Do you like truffle?
And I do, but in small amounts,
So do you like that undertone it's slightly there?
Yeah,
Okay.
it can be. It's so pungent.
1 drop.
Ooh, pump it.
1 drop. Just
Oh yes, bagel seasoning. Is that bagel seed or just sesame seeds?
tricolor sesame seeds.
Oh, wonderful. It's
Next,
my dream.
you're gonna-
Microgreens.
Yes, microgreens. Just as much or as little as you want, because you're gonna garnish yourself. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Wow, that's so full of flavor.
Yeah.
Garnished by Bravo star Marysol Patton, guys. So once tuna actually gets to sit just a few minutes in any sauce, it's just fantastic because that means the flavors kind of came together.
So you need teeth for this one. I can't.
You can't. Oh.
Oh! Shut up. Oh! Yeah. It's all about the sesame.
It's all it just that the way that tuna, and you see how it doesn't taste like fish or anything. A lot of people don't like to work with fresh fish because they think it's fishy. No, guys, if you're buying great fish, there's nothing here that smells like fish.
It's good fish.
It's good fish, exactly. So, make this at home. Make it this summer. It's a winner.